Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Velvet, the metaphysician. And this week, I want to bring something together. We've been talking about scaling with structure, about being booked but still feeling fragile, about building something that lasts. And what I want to do today is to connect the dots. I want to say this very clearly. Most therapists don't struggle because they're bad at what they do. They struggle because the structure underneath their work was never designed to carry long-term growth. In our field, success looks like a full schedule, but a full schedule is not stability. If your income stops when your body stops, that's not scaling, that's endurance. And endurance eventually has a ceiling. So there's two ways to grow: add more output or reduce fragility. Most therapists will choose output, more sessions, more certificates, more hours. I know I've done it myself. But very few choose reinforcement. And it wasn't until that pain was really big enough for me that I was willing to look at that and say, well, this is not working. And it also wasn't working by adding just more massage therapists to take on more of the load now. Reinforcement is quiet. It's building systems that hold you. It's integrating support that strengthens your body. It's creating income streams that aren't tied entirely to our hands. When our entire livelihood depends on our physical performance, our nervous system never settles, even if you love what you do, even if your clients adore you. There's always a background circulation running. Can I keep doing this? Can I keep doing this? Can I keep doing this? I've been on that hamster wheel. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Structure answers that question. One of the shifts that I made wasn't dramatic. It wasn't rebranding. It wasn't opening another location. Done that too. Okay. And it wasn't adding more services. How many of us have done that? Right? If I'm missing some money, or if I'm needing more money, then adding more services at the time may seem like a smart idea. But what I found, it was about integrating support into my life and practice that reinforced what I was already doing. That changed everything. Not overnight, but structurally. And that happened to me with my very last clinic, and I was in heaven. This is what I mean when I say built to hold. Can your structure hold? Can your structure hold growth, illness, vacation, market shifts, cancellations, aging? Or does something collapse if you step away? Scaling with structure means your business can hold more than just today. If this resonates, good. It means you're thinking beyond busy. And I'm not here to convince you of anything. But if you're curious about what reinforcement looks like in real life for yourself and for your practice, reach out. I've made it simple to explore. Otherwise, let this be the week you ask yourself, am I enduring? Or am I building something that lasts? Have an amazing day.